So do you know how many types of shapes? There are two main types of shapes are there. First one is the plane shape and second one is the solid shape. So plane shape and solid shape, two types of shapes are there. So one by one we will see, and all the written work also I will give you, and I will send the pics of that. That one you have to copy down in your notebook in a very good handwriting. Okay. These plane shapes are also called basic shapes, right? B-A-S-I-C, basic shape, or it is also called 2D shapes. So plane shapes are called plane shapes, basic shapes and 2D shapes. Now what are the examples? How many types of these plane shapes? So there are total 5 types of plane shapes. Which are they? Square, rectangle, circle, oval, triangle. So these 5 are the basic plane shapes, or you can say 2D shapes. Okay. Now do you know, children, this plane shape you can draw on the paper sheet very easily. Suppose somebody tell you to draw the circle. So see, I will draw it very easily. Right? Circle. But somebody tell you to draw the ball. Is it possible to draw the ball, whole ball, all the sides of the ball? Can you show all the sides of the ball on the paper? See, I have a ball here, right? If somebody tell you to draw the ball, so is it possible to draw all the ball, or is it possible to show all the sides of the ball on the paper? No, it is not possible. This is the main difference, that the plane shapes you can draw on the plain paper sheet. Means all the plane shape means the rectangle, square, circle, triangle and oval, all that one you can draw on the paper very easily. Okay, so that's why they are called the plane shapes. So let's see the example one by one for each of the shape. So first of all we will take the oval. Okay, so oval shape. So whatever things I got from my home, that one I have taken. So the first one is this dish. Can you see dish? What is the shape of this dish? This is oval. When you keep your finger on the edge, this is called the edge. This is called the edge of the shape. When you keep your finger on the edge of this dish and when you move it in this way, you come to know, you feel what is the shape. So its shape is oval. Okay, oval shape it has. So this is the oval shape. Then another example, I have the hair clip. So the hair clip, when I just move my hand or my finger on the edge, I come to know what shape it has. So this is also oval shape. Another clip also I have, that one also have the oval shape. So these all are the example of the oval shape. You can say the hair clip and the lead, or you can say the plate. Lead can't say, it is the plate. Okay, it has the oval shape. Sometime your mother put bindi of oval shape, so that is also the example of oval shape.